What's up guys, in today's episode we are going to change the oil seals because my suspension is leaking and that is not very good when you don't have any oil in your suspension. So follow me in this episode and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So I put the steering brackets back on, so I'm sure I removed them, and yeah, that's always better to put it back how it was. So now I'm gonna let this hang right here. I'm gonna loosen up already the suspension, so once we remove the suspension we will be able to loosen it up easier, because otherwise it will be too stuck, and yeah, that's not very nice to remove it. As you can see, the right one has been leaking very much. This is the one that is still pretty good. You can definitely see a difference if you take a jump or something else like that. You are going to pull to one side. So guys, right now we're going to remove the spring. So you pull down the spring, you put the right one under here, so you can keep the bolt, and then you loosen it up over here. Then you can remove the complete set. So yeah, as you can see, right now it has been removed. So the forks are back in. Now we're going to put the wheels in, but yeah, this is the video. Okay guys, for the next video there will probably be a riding video. So yeah, see you guys later.